Hello there. In this video, I'll do essay outlining for IB English A Paper 2 exam. Paper 2 exam uses the same paper for both language and literature only students. And this exam paper is from the May 23 exam, time zone 1. I hope this video can give you an insight on your English A revision. Then let's give it a go. English A's Paper 2 essay prompts are oftentimes quite deep and complex. That's why in this video, I'm trying to give you a sample guide to interpret the prompts and introduce the ways that you can compose your ideas. Do check the sample essay outlining that I will do to get some clues for your own revision. Also, considering the fact that we all have different combinations of literary text, the main ideas that I will present can be quite generic, which means the ideas may not be applicable to your chosen text at all. Do use this only for reference. Then let's start. Question number 1. Referring to two works you have studied, how is an unconventional order of events used to achieve a specific effect? The use of an unconventional narrative structure can help authors to show more of the complexity of a story or to look at events or characters in different perspectives. We can expect that we need to focus on the different types of unconventional narrative structure used in chosen literary text. So potentially, first type of unconventional narrative text type can be adoption of flashbacks. When it comes to its effect, it can reveal significant information at a key moment in the development of the story or a character. Another unconventional one can be unique story forms, such as letters or journals. The literature texts, which have these kind of forms, can disclose deeper information about the story. Last type of unique order of narrative can be about changing the point of view, such as starting with I, and then it is changing to he or she, etc. This type of change can add more of the complexity of the story, as well as to give more insight into the characters. Other types of unique narrative order can be about having counterclock order or having parallel narratives or using alternative medias. These kind of things can be adopted from your chosen text, maybe. Question number 2. How and to what effect do the writers in two works you have studied portray the societies they are writing about? This is a pretty classic question. I can be pretty simple about it. First, quite a common type of social setting can be dystopian society. And perhaps the society where has deep and rigid religious practice can be analyzed. Or the society where shows the erosion of conventional values, such as classism or gender discrimination. These kind of things are being contradicted and disrupted. Other ideas can include occurrence of diverse types of conflict or discrimination. Do check if your text can be applied to any of these ideas. Question number 3. Referring to two works you have studied, how and to what effect do the different points of view expressed influence the reader? Let me talk about one type of point of view, which is third-person omniscient, and how it works to influence the readers. First, basically, a third-person omniscient narrator knows everything about the story and its characters. So it influences the readers to have the ability to be inside characters' thoughts, feelings, and sensations, which can give readers a deeper experience of character and scene. Also, it influences the readers by letting them observe the entire story plot without any limitations, let them move freely through time, and give the reader their own opinions and observations on the plot. Lastly, this type of point of view influences the readers by allowing them even know more than the characters. So it establishes tension and suspense. Think of the omniscient narrator as having a God's eye view of the characters. So if your text share the same point of view, it should be good. But if not, do check the other types of point of views, such as first person or second person, and their effects. Question number 4. Discuss how and to what effect contrast has been used in 2 works you have studied. Again, this is quite a typical essay topic, contrast. First, I can talk about contrast between social status that characters have and their effects, such as their class or their job or their reputation, all those things. And I can apply another type of contrast coming from the different personal beliefs that characters have, such as the belief on love, marriage, or religion, etc., and their effect. Lastly, I can potentially contrast the gender roles or gender expectations that are given to characters and their effects. Yes, that's the end. Actually, it is rarely possible to go deeper than this, considering the fact that we have all completely different combinations of literary text. So excuse me about that. But I still believe that this outlining can be a bit of help to interpret paper 2 essay questions and to compose your ideas accordingly. Then everybody, good luck.